OIC Secretary General Hussain Brahim Taha visited Azad Jammu and Kashmir today, where he laid wreath at the Jammu and Kashmir monument. According to the Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, Taha paid his respects and offered Fatiha in memory of the people who sacrificed their lives for the Kashmir cause. Earlier, Foreign Office spokesperson in a press release said that during the meeting between Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari and the Secretary General of OIC Hussain Brahim Taha, issues related to human rights situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Palestine issue, Islamophobia and humanitarian crisis in Afghanistan were discussed. Both sides also exchanged views on vital issues of economic, social and technological cooperation among OIC member countries. Incarcerated senior leaders of all parties Hurriyat Conference, Mirwais Umar Farooq and Shabir Ahmed Shah have expressed serious concern over the fast deteriorating human rights situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Mirwais Umar Farooq, who have been under house arrest in Srinagar for the last over 3 years, in a statement said that post-August 2019 unilateral changes brought about in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir by Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government, human rights were the biggest casualty. He said arbitrary arrests, especially of young boys, and their imprisonment under draconian laws, harassment of journalists, human rights activists, or anyone who expresses a dissident view is taken to task through various Indian agencies. Incarcerated senior leader of all parties Hurriyat Conference, Shabir Ahmed Shah, has urged the international community to take cognizance of the fast deteriorating human rights situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. He said India, which claims to be the world's largest democracy, has reserved the Kashmiris' right to self-determination, which is tantamount to an outrageous assault and an infringement on the essence of the UN Charter. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, 2 residential houses were gutted in a fire incident in Srinagar late last night. An official told the media the fire broke out at Batamalu area of Srinagar. He added that the cause of the fire was being ascertained. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has said that the RSS and BJP have captured all institutions in the country and that the constitutions exist only in name. Rahul Gandhi, in an interview in Indore, said the constitution is at the heart of the institution structure of India. The parliament, Vidhan Sabha, judiciary, bureaucracy and media draw the strength from the constitution. All have the sacred duty of safeguarding the constitution, but all these institutions have stopped working. In what shows the inefficiency of the Indian judicial system, 3 months have passed since bail sureties were provided for jailed Muslim journalist Siddique Kappan. The verification of the same is still pending in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. Siddique Kappan had provided sureties as per the Indian Supreme Court order in a case registered against him under Draconian Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act.